In this video, we will discuss the critical components of effective training phase planning, specifically focusing on monitoring and evaluation. Implementing efficient systems for monitoring and evaluation is essential for accurately assessing each student's progress and allowing real-time adjustments to training methods. This ensures that students develop the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in aviation. A well-structured training plan simplifies the process of monitoring and evaluating student progress. By having clear objectives and milestones, instructors can objectively track student advancement, identify strengths and areas for improvement, and provide detailed feedback. With well-defined objectives and stages in the training plan, you can use these references to objectively track students' progress. This enables you to check whether they have met the established goals within the specified deadlines. Specific objectives allow you to provide more relevant and detailed feedback. Instead of merely stating you have progressed, you can say you successfully achieved Objective X, but you still need to work on Objective Y. This detailed feedback helps students know exactly what to improve. When goals are measurable and clear, you can use objective measurements to evaluate student performance. For example, if a goal is to perform a landing procedure without major errors, you can use a checklist or a scoring system to assess their performance. By tracking progress through the established stages, you can identify specific areas for improvement for each student. This allows you to tailor training and focus on areas where students need more attention. Knowing the exact stage each student is at helps you plan resources such as flight hours or simulation sessions accordingly. This ensures more efficient management of time and resources. Regular monitoring and evaluation provide students with continuous motivation. They can see their progress and realize they are getting closer to their goals, motivating them to keep working hard. If you notice a student struggling at a specific stage or with a particular objective, you can quickly make adjustments to their training plan. This ensures that students receive the support and guidance they need to overcome difficulties. In conclusion, a well-structured training plan makes monitoring and evaluating progress easier and more efficient. It ensures more effective training management, relevant feedback, and a better learning experience for students. By implementing well-designed monitoring and evaluation systems, instructors can provide specific, improvement-oriented feedback, contributing to a personalized learning experience and preparing students for success in their aviation careers. This script provides an in-depth look at the importance of monitoring and evaluating training phases, offering practical strategies for effective implementation.